Welcome to AMAP Tutorials with Little Music Bear, and today's lesson will be trying out a question of finding midpoint and gradient by simultaneous equations.
So first, if you see two equations, you will have to recognize that this has to be solved simultaneously. So when solving simultaneous equations, you try to look for the easier one. In this case, the easier one would be 4x plus y equals negative 2. Now, we're going to make y the subject, so we'll bring 4x over. So y will be equals to negative 4x minus 2. And there you go, our first equation. If you're able to figure this out, then well done, we can proceed on. It's not as complicated as you think. Next, we just sub in the values, everything in terms of x. So, the equation is x squared plus x minus y equals negative 2. So, if we sub that in, then we get x squared plus x. Remember your bracket, replace it in terms of x, and there you go. So next, we are going to calculate this and expand out the brackets to get x squared plus x plus 4x plus 2 equals negative 2. Then okay, so after you expand and simplify, you got a quadratic equation here. So for convenience purposes, I would suggest you use quadratic formula or just press mode 33 on the calculator to check your answers after you apply it. So by quadratic formula, then we'll apply x. It's very good if you'll be able to memorize this because it's going to help you in many questions later on. So it will be b squared minus 4ac. Now you're going to calculate this using a calculator and you'll get x equals to negative 1 or negative 4. There you go, half the question done. Now you're going to sub it back to simpler equation. So y equals to negative 4 will have x equals to negative 1 first. So when x equals to negative 1, y equals to negative 4 times negative 1. So we know that point A, the coordinates is negative 1, 2. Now I will use the next piece of paper because I'm running out of space. Y equals to negative 4 times negative 4 minus 2. And calculate it, you get 14. So B is E. The coordinates of B is, go back to minus 1, negative 4, and 14. So I write the coordinates of A here for easy reference. Now you get this too. It's very easy to find the gradient and the midpoint. And there we go. Just find the average of the 2 points and you get the midpoint and next gradient. Always remember the formula. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we'll calculate it in. And there you go. Complete. 6 marks down, and because one question has usually quite a high weightage, if you can master this type of easier ones, then you'll probably be pushed 1 grade up. And next time, when you open your examination papers, try to look for these questions so that it will be very easy for you to start with the right mindset so they can immediately go through all this and solve it, get the answer, be contented, and you'll be able to move on to the other questions.
So that's the end of our video, and the next question will be released next week. Bye!